stay healthy. At Duke, there's so many great things to do and so many amazing people to meet. So you gotta stay healthy so that you can have the best experience.
Be open to meeting new people, whether it's the first week of classes or the last. You never know when you're going to meet inspiring people here at... Oh, hi!
Sorry. Get into clubs. Student clubs. It's a great way to find a new community based on what you love.
4 words, keep the pantry stocked.
This is the 4th carload.
This is for us? This is for us.
Everyone has to take Introduction to Human Rights. The professor, Robin Kirk, is brilliant, well-informed, and super captivating.
Wait, are you still here? You need to get to your next class.
Find a study spot with views and free coffee. So my favorite place to study at Duke is Gross Hall, the 2nd level. It's always buzzing with ideas and people from all sorts of disciplines.
When your kids come home, the washing machine is your best friend.
I've never seen this much laundry in my life.
Still staying healthy.